Hello guys, I'm Mahin from Auxin Educare, and today we're going to be learning about how to solve simple quadratic equations. So, I know this question says factorize fully, but let's just say it told us to solve the equation. Now, there are two ways to solve an equation, a quadratic equation. The first method, which I say is the easy method, is to use the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the quadratic formula. The coefficient of x square is a, which is in this case is 1. The coefficient of x is b, which is 7. And the last number without a variable is c. So you can just put in the values here, and you're going to get one value. When you put plus here, you get one value, and when you put minus here, you get one value. Now, today we're going to be learning about another method which you guys will have to use mostly in your IGCSE Maths BO levels exam, which is the middle term method, which factorizes the equation first before solving it. So the way to do the middle term method is first, let's write down the equation here, x squared minus 7x plus 12. So the way to do the middle term method is first you take the coefficient of x squared, which in this case is 1, and you take the last number without a variable, which in this case is 2, and you multiply them together. So when you have the multiple of these two numbers, what you do is you're going to have to find two factors of this number which add up to the middle number. Now, if I divide 12 with 4, I get 3. So as 4 plus 3 add up to 7, I can instead write this equation as x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. Instead of writing minus 7x, I can write 4x minus 3x. So now the last step to do is just to take common. So from the first two numbers, I can take x as a common. So x minus 4. And from the last two numbers, I can take minus 3 as a common. X minus 4. So as these two are the same, I can just write this entire equation as x minus 3 and x minus 4. And the answer I get is x minus 3 equals 0. I can write it one of them, and x minus 4 equals 0. If I solve them, I get x equals 3 and x equals 4. Now guys, the very last thing I need to tell you guys is it's not always adding up. You guys have to look at the sign of the last number without a variable. If it says plus, we will add up, and if it says minus, we're gonna have to subtract one factor from the other to get the middle number. Okay, this is how you solve the quadratic equation, and if you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you guys want a video on how to solve it when there's a minus with this, I'll post that online too. So thank you very much for watching.